How are you doing, guys? A quick video of me just rambling on about whatever I'm rambling on about. Right, today's video, a couple of things just to let you know what I've been up to. So a couple of weeks, well, about a week and a half ago, I met up with fellow YouTuber Ian Carroll. We met up in the local pub where I live. He happened to be, he has relatives just down at Stoney, and I've known Ian for quite a few years via YouTube and Facebook, but we've never actually met. So it was a really nice experience to meet up with him. Such a nice chap. He's had a few up and downs in life. It's not for me to go into all that as to what, where and how. But yeah, it was really good to meet him. Really nice, genuine person to meet up with. I had a couple of beers with him. I wasn't able to stay as long as I'd liked because I had duties at home. The wife was expecting me to cook the Sunday lunch. So, you know, I was there for a couple of hours anyway. Yeah, but we just chatted about things, brewing, life in general, and just, yeah, it was really nice and a really pleasant experience, which, you know, so next time he comes down, I've said, look mate, get your son down here, I'll go for a couple of beers properly, come down, you can come around here, have a few home brews if you want. Absolutely smashing guy, absolutely smashing. Gave him a couple of beers. I think one of them was the Festival Premium Kit, the Friars Ale Strong Bitter, which I've got just on the go now. It's been in the keg for about a couple of weeks. This is a limited edition one, this one is. It says at 4.6%. I think mine came out a little bit higher than that. More like 5.6. But yeah, it's a nice kit. These Festival Premium kits are so much better than the ones you used to get from Wilco's, and well, they're no longer here. And that other bloody shop, I can't remember, I don't go in there very often. Don't know, you know what I mean. Everybody knows what I mean. But yeah, I think I paid something like 23 quid for the kit. It was a 3.1 kilo. So the aroma makes 20 litres. Well, I bumped up with a bit of sugar. I did a little bit more than 20 litres. So masses of hop, earthiness and citrus notes, overlaid with malty biscuit aromas. Well, I put different hops in. So that's, I put Mystic hops in. That was all different. But yeah, you're definitely getting the malt from it. I'm not sure about biscuity aroma. I don't think my nose is recovered from when I had COVID. But yeah, it was a pretty decent kit. I did also brew a all grain. That was just some pale malt, Paul's malt, pale malt, a little bit of carrol in there just to give it, you know, a bit of colour. And that's just been kegged tonight. Just literally just kegged it. I haven't took one out of gravity reading. I have got some in the fermenter, so I shall do one. But that's going to be looking around about 5%. And that's just come out the, I might have to take the reading off of that. That's just come out the fermenter. Obviously that will clear. And that had Mystic hops in it as well, funny enough. So Mystic hops, oh, they're going to be kind of citrusy. Yeah, that passion fruit kind of thing going on there, I do believe. I just happen to get 5 kilos, so I don't think it's Mystic hops right now. But I will be giving some away to some of the lads that I know, because we got these competition beers up, and I think I'm just going to say, does anybody want to do this and do that? And then we go back to the Black and Sun, and he does it all. Oh dear. Future brews. I've got a stout down there, which I'm going to save for Christmas. It's one of these ones, the Muntons Connoisseurs Export Stout. That came out the time I put the adjuncts and the sugar in there, cane sugar, what's it, sugar, brewing sugar. I'm thinking that's going to be around about 6.5–7%. Brewed it a little bit short. So 1.8 kilos. Without doesn't really say what the actual kit itself, does it? Oh, here we go. Typical analysis. Oh, they don't put no ABV on it, so just doing it as a normal kit. I could get all the instructions out, but can't be asked. So yeah, very good kit, that one, by the way. If you see that for sale, I would recommend getting it in. I have done it before and it didn't last very long because it was such a nice kit. Shed's still full of bloody vinyl and God knows what else, and I can't move to save my life. A couple of other brews I've done. Some Peter's Plum Porter. Wasn't my favourite beer in the world. It kind of grew on me after a bit, but I had that a few weeks ago. And I'm just getting to the last of the festival, Pilgrim's Hope, as well. So that's not going to be, that's coming to the end of that one. So yeah, so I had, also had a festival porter, which I gave to Ian. So he's got two beers. He's got the bitter, which I'm drinking now, and also the porter. I say top man, absolute top man. I wish I'd met him earlier. But yeah, decent bloke. Other than that, not a lot else to say really. Just plodding on through life as you do. That's it really. Catch you all later.